Hello, classmates. My name is Wayne Martin, and I'm here to present to you Chapter 22 from our Convery Reader. The chapter is written by authors Ari Halachmi and Theo Vanderkroot. And these authors entitled this article "Motivating Employees: the Role of the Manager." Basically, the authors take the time to really talk about the importance of employee motivation as it relates to the success of an organization, especially in the public sector. Motivation simply really is defined as the attitude or willingness that an employee displays to doing their job and contributing to the organization to make it successful. The authors really do provide great insight into what motivation really is, and they really open the article by talking about the challenges that have been, recently discovered or that have come into play over the past maybe few decades as it relates to motivating employees. And one of them is the changing nature of the workforce and the workplace. We have gone we went through a very agrarian-based work culture to one of industrial, modeled really after the Henry Ford Ford Motor Company model with an assembly line. Everybody was given a very small task to perform, and putting all those small tasks together in individual contributions, you would create a great outcome. Well, we've really modernized and technological advancements in the information and communications technology world have really created ways of really getting large jobs done with fewer individuals. So this has played a major role in the changing of the workplace, which has also inadvertently played a role, directly played a role in changing the methods and mechanisms used to motivate employees. Another factor is that the workplace or workforce is older. Many workers stay in the workforce longer because retirement programs and plans have changed, and economic uncertainty has caused workers to work longer. Another factor that sort of is related to that is that many young workers enter the workforce later in their lives because more of them are seeking formal education. So these two special dynamics create a situation for managers to really, really have to hone in and focus on how to motivate older workers while at the same time motivating better educated and a different type of younger employee. Another factor that to consider is that the younger employees, many are millennials, and they come into the workforce and they are individually motivated, but they have a perception that they themselves are highly qualified and want to play a role in being more involved in company decisions and organizational decisions. So these are all factors that challenge or make it challenging for managers to motivate workers. Motivation of workers is very important because it allows organizations to seek success through individuals really contributing to the productivity of the organization in a day-to-day way that causes efficiency, that causes great productivity. There are many models of motivation, and the authors really lean to some of the more familiar content theories around developing motivational strategies. One of them is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Another one is Herzberg's two-factor theory. Another is McClelland's needs theory. And all of these theories really look at what it takes to really look to an individual's desires that they bring to their lives day to day, and how they prioritize the things that they want to do in their lives, and how you can translate that into the workplace and getting the best out of employees. Goal setting theory is another one that I thought was very, very good in describing these goals to the individuals to motivate them. And so there are a number of factors. There are reward systems, there are incentive programs, and a number of ways in keeping employees motivated. What I did learn from this chapter, this article, is that motivation is not an easy task, especially when workplaces are diverse with individuals. And myself as a manager, I have learned a lot actually just by reading and really digesting the information that these two authors provided in this chapter. So take a look at the questions that I've provided, and also certainly take a look at the chapter overview or summary that I completed. And I think you'll be enlightened on the topic of employee motivation and the important role that managers play. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.